Okay, Review King coming at you real quick. This is for the Boost Mobile people that's trying to get the iPhone 12 Pro Max or etc. on the Boost network, and they're telling you that, you know, the phone, they can't find the EMI number, or the phone can't be registered through them. Disregard all that, what they're saying at Boost. This is what you're gonna have to do. First of all, I got these phones, the gold and the silver, from Apple. I didn't order from Boost website. I ordered directly from Apple. When you try to call and get it activated, they're going to tell you they can't find no information on the phone. You need to take it back or tell Apple to give you the correct phones, which is bull. If you look on the back of it, it tells you it supports. Let me see if it's zoom in. It's not really focusing right now, but pretty much you support all networks. So what you're going to have to do is, first of all, is get you a Boost SIM card extended. If you had a previous version, it would not work for the new iPhone. You have to get one that's all orange and it actually say extended on it. So it's not focusing right, that's good, but pretty much you have to get your new SIM card with the orange cover. And it won't have a Sprint on the back of it, and it won't say Boost anymore. It just have pretty much your new SIM card number printed on the back of it. Once you do that, you want to call in to Boost in and then let them know, hey, I got these new iPhones, I'm trying to activate it. The first question they're going to ask you is, did you purchase it, through Boost? Just tell them, yeah, I got it through Boost. They're going to like, okay, we're going to try to give us the information we need. We're going to see if we can activate it. They're going to come back and tell you, oh, we can't find this number. We can't register the phone. The EMI number is not matching up to anything. We can't do anything. That's bullcrap. You tell them you got it from Boost, and what they have to do is call their tech support, which I don't believe they have a tech support. I believe they're just reading off screens. So once they come back with tech support, they're going to be like, okay, yeah, we can go ahead and activate these phones now. So they're going to go ahead and activate the phone, and then you have to give them the new SIM card to activate as well, to extend it. Once they do that, you put it in, voila, it's going to work with no problem. Now, what I think is going on is they're discouraging people who purchased an iPhone directly through Apple instead of going through the Boost website. And they're telling people to take their phones back, which is bullcrap. Apple doesn't make a certain phone for Boost. As long as it's on the GMS network or even the CDMA, it all work, it all SIM card related. Now, everything is pretty much compatible and unlocked. But anyway, make a long story short, once you get your SIM card, this is my wife's phone, it's already activated, but I'm just going to show you. She has to go. All you have to do open the SIM card slot right there. Pop it out. Drop that bad boy in there. Right now, you see it says no SIM card activated, no network. So it's searching for a network right now. You go ahead and insert the SIM card. There you go. Boost Mobile at the top. LTE. You see that? So if you don't use the updated extended SIM card for the new iPhones, it will not work. So if you're coming from an old iPhone and you have an old SIM card, you just have to get the new SIM card. Call Boost, tell them, yes, I got the phone from Boost, and I want to go ahead and activate it. This is her phone. Fully unlocked. Now we have messages coming in once I insert her SIM card. And see, she's on. And I'm going to show you mine's off. This is mine. I have the white or the silver, they call it. And see, I cut my Wi-Fi off. For some reason, at times they'll say roaming, and then sometimes they'll just start back saying boost mobile again. I don't know, but it doesn't affect anything that I've seen yet. Still receiving messages, phone calls, normal, and I can surf the web. Matter of fact, I'm gonna surf the web right now, showing I'm not on Wi-Fi. See, the Wi-Fi is off. I still have LTE. Surf the web. Get on Google. We'll just go to, I don't know, YouTube. There we go. And I do not see a 5G at the top of my corner at all. But I can tell you this, the phone moves faster than what it was before previously. And I know it's a new phone. All new phones move pretty fast before they get slammed with cookies and data and all kind of mess. But I'm telling you, it's moving faster than ever. Fast. And I'm not going to Wi-Fi. Like, I could click any page. It loads right up, no problem.
Priceline works with top hotels to save you up to 60%.
Doesn't matter what you pick.
10-piece McNuggets.
So,
Order
it doesn't say 5G, but I do know that.
Fish.
But I do know that the phone runs off a T-Mobile tower, which is also T-Mobile purchase Sprint. So anywhere where they receive 5G, this phone should receive 5G. So it's just an update to give guys, just to let you know that, hey, you can use your boost without leaving. I think they want a lot of people determined to leave, believe it or not. So once you leave, you try to come back. A lot of your plans are godfather in. Then you try to come back, you no longer can get those plans. Like they have the 400 with unlimited. And other deals out there that's going now. So do not let them tell you to take your iPhones back and go purchase the boost. Just call, talk like you know what you're saying, and get your phones activated. All right, it's Review King. I'm out of here.